Hey, what's up guys? It's Rick. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your drink holder pad on your 2004 through 2008 Ford F-150 using the same exact pad, just taking it off, show you the tools you need to remove and replace your pad around your drink holder in your 2004 through 2008 Ford F-150. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. This is Chasing Profits. What you're going to need to start this project is flathead small screwdriver, magic marker, 13/16 drill bit, and a drill. Okay? So let's go right into it. Here's your, naturally, the way that all these look in all the F-150s is like this. Now, I've done a step after this. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to remove this whole piece. So we're going to remove this piece, okay? Now, I have marked out every single side here. And you can pause the video so you can see it. Of all my marks, and these marks indicate something. Okay, so let's go to the front. There's 10 marks total. So what you do is this: you take your flathead screwdriver, tilt your head to the side so you're looking this way, take your flathead screwdriver, stick it in here, and mark the end of the flathead screwdriver where it stopped at the edge there. Okay, you'll see you're hitting the tab. So you take this and you go here from the ends, and then you mark where your tab is. So your tab is right here. Now you're going to drill a drill in there, 13/16, and you're going to stick it basically in, and the arrow marks on these indicate which way to pry back the tab. So you're going to stick it in the hole, pry back the tab, and pull up. Stick it in the hole, pry back the tab, and pull up. After you get that removed, we'll go to the next step. But now I'm going to start drilling and show you how to do this. My 13/16 drill bit. Okay, that's all I need to go. You see that? You don't go deep into the black part, which is the console. You only need to go so far. So the next one. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to stick your screwdriver in. Okay, I gotta make this bigger or get a smaller screwdriver. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so I made that a little bigger. Now I'm going to stick my screwdriver in. And as I'm sticking it in there, prying up on the tab, I'm going to lift at the same time. So you can see it's kind of a mess right now because I drilled everything inside the truck. Gonna need a vacuum later, but it's all good. So figured it out. What you do is stick one screwdriver in the hole here. Stick one screwdriver alongside the tab. Okay. As you have that screwdriver inside there, along that tab, you need to pry back and lift up with another screwdriver underneath it, okay? So, because you're not going to be able to do that, you're not going to be able to do it by just using the one screwdriver. So you need to push in, pull back, and lift up. So we'll go to the next one. Start our drill. And I'm having to widen these up because the tabs are, you can't just do them at the surface. You need to do them, you need to get farther, you need to get as far down as possible against that tab, okay? You might even have to hit it, and then when you're far enough down, look, that one just came out. No, that's because I broke it, but this one, if I was gentle enough, I could have pried back and lifted up at the same time, and it would have worked. So let's do this side and not break it. look at that. That one just came right up. And I did not break that one, folks. Alright, let's try doing the back now. You're gonna have to lift up the, obviously the back hatch. Got one in there, because these two back ones are very close together. I'm gonna use 2 screwdrivers. There we go, there's, whoop, that one dropped back in. There we go. There's both of those tabs. Wasn't so lucky with the front ones. Alright. Again, the back ones go this way. There's one. Oh. One snapped in again. Alright, there's the back one. And there's the front one. Alright. So out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I got 6 out of the 10. So these up in the front didn't make it, but it's okay because they'll still snap in. Now let's go ahead and let's rewrap this with this. Let's rewrap these two. So if you didn't know, I was 6 out of 10. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, 5 out of 10, so 50%, 500. Batting 500 right now. Should still work, should still snap in. You just got to be a little careful when taking it out. So let's go put the matting down on this piece now. I got an electric stapler and T50 arrow screws, 3/8, 10mm. You don't want long ones because you don't want to go all the way through the padding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the front. It doesn't really matter where you start from. Just get it started. Put your first staple in. Don't staple your finger. I actually think I need a clamp or a third hand. Let's get a third hand. Jack's gonna staple for us. Yep, didn't go in. Alright, so it's not going through the plastic. We'll have to get a handheld one, see if we can use it with the handheld. The power one isn't strong enough. Alright, so I got a clamp on there now, and my finger there. See if we can get one in. We got one in. Same thing. So pretty much what we got to do is, I have to hold this with a screwdriver to press the foam at the same exact time. And my partner here is stapling down the edges. So
I can't get probably over there. Yeah. Let's just get them started. You want me to explain what I'm doing?
yeah, tell them.
Okay, so what I'm trying to do is
Louder.
let the edge of the stapler bite into the vinyl and give me a grip on it. Then I'm actually just walking it, not very well there, trying to walk it up further in.
There you go.
Like that, putting a lot of pressure on it the whole time.
For the inner side, the only place you can bite is really here on the edges. So I'll have to hold that while Jack perfect. Now we'll do this one here. That's pretty much it. It's pretty much done, ready to be installed. I'm gonna redo this one here, just so we get a better wrap on it, and that's it. So we'll install it next. Now we got our unit. It's all done here. Let's take a few pictures. So now, basically, you just pop it right in. I'm gonna go from the back first. Tabs. It's gonna be hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time, so I have to do it off camera. Here we go. There's one. There's two. And the fronts are in too. So there we go. There it is. It's completed. Looks great. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, post. Thanks for watching. Take care.